friends, welcome to Global Online University. So friends, in this video we will analyze our mock test 1, which was basically from the people and environment section. So friends, approximately 100 people have attempted that mock test, and the mock test result you can see it is here. The average people got the marks are 54.99, that is 55. And if you see the top half, they have more than 58% mark, and the below half they have less than 58 mark. So friends, remember, if you are below this 58, then it is a sign for you to worry and you should start practicing more. And if your mark were more than 58, then it is okay. So I'll start from the top. So this top have 90. There are 9 people from the 90 plus. So nine people have 90 plus marks. So for them my message will be, you are doing good in the people and environment section. So remember, there are 10 sections, so this is not enough. Only getting a 90 in one section is not enough. For you have to take care of other sections. So as our quiz, I'll be covering all the section. You check your knowledge in all the sections. If you are scoring everywhere 90, then next priority will be giving the mock test in 1 hour, and you have to finish all the questions. So for these 10 people, these 9 people, my advice is focus on your weaker areas. Now these people from 70 to 85, there are 23 to 25 people from this 70 to 85. So they are okay, but why did they miss this 95 thing? So you have to remember why they didn't cross the 90. Because see friends, people and environment is a area where you can score, because it is not a logical reasoning, it is not a reasoning, or it is not mathematical reasoning where you have to put lot of time. So here you can still score. Here you need to study. Those who are below 80, they need to study some of the topics and they have to understand, and you should take your score above 90. So remember, these 23 people from 70 to 80 should go to the 90, and these people from 52 or so here total number of people are 30 from 50 to 70. So these people you really need to boost up. You have to study. So here there is no question of you are attempting an exam. For these people, I can say from 70 to 80, there may be some problem with the options. Sometimes they may have missed some options. But for 50 to 70 people, for you only option is you should study people and environment again. And student below 50, so I can only say that you really need to revise your course again. So for 50 to 60 you need to study more, and for 70 to 80 you need to check your weaker areas, and for people above 90 in people and environment you should focus on the other topics. So this was the analysis for this test. I hope you got my message. And today our mock test 2 is released. So you can see the mock test 2 is on communication. So there also you have to check your score. Remember friends, if you are below 70, then you have to revise that area. If you are above 90, you have to see the other areas. Like if you are scoring good in above 90 in people and environment, you don't have to do more in that. You have to focus on other areas. So our mock test will cover all the areas, all the 10 sections, and we also have the full topic test, so where your time and all those things will be tested. But one thing friends, which I want to tell you, if you take our mock test and by the end of June 14, so our last mock test is on June 14, that will be full topic mock test. So we have more mock tests. You can see our syllabus, our schedule here. So schedule is like this. Here you can see our first mock test was on 18th. So today our second mock test is released as 6th, and mock test third, that is on ICT, will be released on Sunday. Then next mock test teaching aptitude will be on next Wednesday. So you can see all the topics will be covered, and I want you to make sure that you score more than 70 in all the mock tests. So once you score 70 in all the topics, so we will have the full topic mock test. So we have mock test 8 and 9 full topics, then we have 10, 11 also, and 12. They are all full topics. So here I will have 10 topics, each question from all the topics covered. So here also your real score should come, and then I'll have the mathematical reasoning and logical reasoning followed by data interpretation. So friends, after the mock test 15, so your all the 10 topics will be covered in the sense you will know where you stand. So that time is 7th. So from here I'll start taking the from 10th onward, it will be full topic test. So from here, whatever your score is, I can guarantee you this will be the toughest test. Mock test 17, 18, 16 and 19 and 20, they will be the toughest mock test. So whatever your score here, it will not be less than, you will not score less than that in the examination. I can guarantee you, if you are scoring here 80, your score will be 80 in the examination. So the mock test will be of that level. So now it is, because you may score more because it is centered or it is focused only on one topic. But once we have all the mock test and you bind by our time limit of 1 hour, then I can assure you, if you are scoring 60 here, you should score 65 there in the main examination. If you are scoring 70, so your score will be more than that, it will not be less than that. So I'll maintain the quality of this examination. So friends, you can take all these mock tests. So I have just kept them at 99 rupees, which is very low. This is, I could have kept it free, but you also should understand that it is expensive to maintain a website and all all other expenses. So still I have just kept it at 99. You can take the test, and the link for that is in the description, and you can also take the today's mock test. Many of you had a difficulty in paying the paying for the test. Some had difficulty paying for the registration. So many of you mailed me, some have WhatsApp me, sir, make it free. So I have kept today's mock test, that is mock test second also is free. So you can see this mock test 2 also is free. Tell me your score in the mock test 1 and mock test 2, that also you have to tell. If you have not taken mock test 2, that you can take in the description. And for other mock test, to check your preparation, to boost your preparation, you have to subscribe to Global Online University. So many of you asked how this mock test will be delivered. So friends, now I have changed the time. So you will on every Wednesday and Sunday, mock test will be live by 6 p.m. So they will exactly 6 p.m. you can go to the website and you can give your mock test and check your score. So here you can see how to go to the website. I'll tell you. So here is the Global Online University. So friends, here the today's mock test is there. You can just click on there, and there is a mock test. And for subscribing, you have to subscribe here. So now this is public, you can see this. Once it is locked means you have to subscribe. So because you demanded me that, sir, give this mock test free. So mock test 1 and mock test 2 are free, you check it. And for other 18 mock test, you subscribe to Global Online University here. So I hope you have liked this analysis. So I'll be doing this analysis. So remember, only 9 people have gone above 90. So why I am telling only 9? Because friends, once you combine all the 10 topics, so remember, 1 hour is not enough to solve all those topics. So only those who have 90, they can quickly finish all those topics and go to the topics where your more time is consumed, like logical reasoning, like comprehension, like data interpretation, and the mathematical reasoning. So our main target should be finishing this with more accuracy. So if you are scoring 80 also, so means you are missing 2 marks from your every topic. So remember, you should not score 80 in people and environment, in communication, it should in ICT, in teaching aptitude, in research aptitude, your score should be more than 80. Remember this. And for that you need to give this mock test and make your study adjustment accordingly. So friends, this was it. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. And for giving today's mock test, a link is in the description. Mock test 1 link also is in the description. You can give both and comment below this video. If there is any other problem, you can comment me. Thank you for watching.